Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Warwick Road. Today we've come over to the Upminster Road north part of Rainham to take a look at this wonderfully renovated home. Let's come and take a look inside. Internally, the property commences with an entrance porch leading to a 17-foot lounge, kitchen breakfast room which opens into a separate dining room, bifold doors to the rear, utility room, downstairs WC. The first floor boasts 3 bedrooms and a refitted family bathroom WC. Externally, and led from the dining area, south-facing garden measuring 45 foot, an 18-foot double detached garage, and the front of the property offers off-street parking for 2 vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for taking the time to watch. My name's Deepak Sidhi, and we are Balgos.